Like, don't clap these.
Ho, 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 ho. None. It's cute. Knifely.
Okay.
No, so I don't know.
Yeah, going out. Jay.
Wait, why? All right, off.
I am straight.
James,
Who are you? So gay.
I will also be there from the.
What I gotta do to get it through you? I'm superhuman, animated, represent anything say is ricochet enough of me, and it'll you. I'm devastating more than ever, demonstrating how to give a mother pecking audience a feeling like it's evitating, never fading, and another hit is ever waiting for the tickets. I felt it to be celebrating, because another way to get him motivated. I'm elevating music. Give me elevating music. Oh, he's too mainstream. Well, that's what they do, and they get jealous. They confuse it. It's not hip hop, it's pop. Because I found a hell of a way to fuse it. I don't know how to make songs like that. I don't know what words to use, and that's all I know.
Yeah, that fuck yes.
That was amazing.